Hey, it's Melissa from Kiwi Banana here, and today I'm going to talk you through a video that I recorded for the Green Edge Vegan Ekka Day here in Brisbane. And so, yeah, we had this at a supermarket. It's like a vegan supermarket. Obviously, the Vegan Society, they had a stall for the Crankis Farm. It's like a farm animal rescue place, not too far from Brisbane. And then also a stall that was fundraising money for abandoned domestic animals in Venezuela. Some vegan apparel there, of course. And the supermarket is also actually a cafe, and they were selling some cupcakes just outside at the market area. There's the Animal Liberation stand for Queensland, and the Coast to Coast Animal Friends organisation with their stand as well. And there's also the Death Row Unchained Animal Rescue stall. Of course, you can't forget that there will be some plant-based dietitians there to help, I guess, with people who are really interested in health and eating plant-based. I'm sure we all know by now that eating lots of fruits and veggies are very much beneficial to the human well-being. Found a cute little clothing store that does like 100% organic cotton and fair trade. And then I got a little bit distracted. I've seen a couple of my friends, so that's nice. And then also got some handcrafted Australian jewellery for sale as well. And another vegan food stall that sold out of most of their foods by the looks of it. And I think it was called, Hen's Friends. So there's another fundraising stall for an animal organisation, and they must have had a raffle earlier in the day, bearing in mind they arrived here quite late. And they've also got some more vegan apparel. So there's a tattoo shop in Brisbane, and they do, a lot of tattooing can be done vegan, and in this case obviously they specialise in it. I think a lot of their tattoo artists are vegan as well. And so obviously all the yanks and the aftercare is vegan, which is really, really great. And there's obviously a lot of correlation between vegans and, I guess particular subgroups of vegans that are quite into tattoos. So it's really good to see that that's available. And then I thought, why not actually go into the store in the cafe and check it out. And they've got heaps of stuff. So obviously they've got the fresh drinks, and they've got a whole lot of like packaged, obviously, vegan treats and vegan junk foods. And they also got a few bulk items like beans and stuff, which is really, really great. And they generally have a lot of good sales on in there too, which is really nice. And they also have like a whole like fridge section full of the faux meats, and they've got like vegan pet food for those of you who still obviously got domesticated animals that you're looking after. And then they also have obviously like ice creams and hummuses, and they've got a whole lot of cosmetics and wooden toothbrushes and stuff in there, which is really, really nice. Also they sell vegan condoms in there, which is really cool because they can be really hard to come by. Obviously, depending on your gender and what kind of sexuality you have, they might be very handy. And then of course they've got their wee cafe area. They also do some vegan shoes too.